Hi, my name is Steve Flinter and I'm the head of Emerging Technology Research at MasterCard R&D. Welcome to this, a series of 5 short episodes focusing on quantum computing and more particularly quantum programming. In these series of videos, we hope to give you a broad introduction as to what is quantum computing, why we're so excited about it, and how you can start to build an intuition as to how we can start to use quantum computers in day-to-day computation. This series of videos is going to be broken down into 5 separate episodes. In episode 1, we're going to look at just a brief introduction to what is quantum computing and how is it similar and different to other forms of computing we're already familiar with. In episode 2, we're going to look at a logic puzzle which we're going to use as the framework to study this area and to ultimately solve the logic puzzle using a quantum computer. In episode 3, we're going to focus on how do we structure and format and represent our logic puzzle problem in a way that the quantum computer can solve. In episode 4, we're going to actually go through the process of solving that problem using our quantum computer, and we're going to use an actual quantum computer to do it. And then finally, in episode 5, we're going to take a look at issues around computational complexity and why we think quantum computers are going to help us solve a range of problems that are not currently possible with existing computers. The focus of all of this is going to be very much on the practicing technologist, the software engineer, the software developer. So you're not going to need a lot of knowledge of or expertise in things like quantum mechanics. So don't worry too much about that. But it's going to be very much focused on the practicing developer. So I hope you'll join me over the course of the next 5 episodes where we explore these areas. I personally think this is a fascinating area, and I'm sure you will too. So please join me for the next episode. Thank you.